It's 10 days till Christmas. And today we have a fun and festive vlog for you. We're gonna decorate the Christmas tree together. And we're also gonna go to Winter Wonderland. I definitely have an idea for what I want to do for my Christmas tree this year. I'm gonna go very cliche trendy. We're gonna go for bows. This is very late for me to put up my Christmas tree. I normally try and do it the first week of December. Babes, I've just not had it in me. But we got bows, we got ribbons. We're gonna make it adorable. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you'll know that the vlogs aren't exactly chronological. We went to Winter Wonderland a couple of weeks ago, but I am gonna insert those clips of us going to Winter Wonderland here. Hello! Wow, that was really smooth, Emma. Oh god. Should we try that again? Hello. I just got a parcel that I don't believe I ordered. It sounds like liquids. I'd open it with you. My mystery parcel. If it's a liquid, I'm gonna guess it's from Pepsi. Whoa! No way! Oh my god. What the hell? It's a Pepsi advent calendar with my name on it. What? This is amazing. This is amazing. There are loads of baby cans of Pepsi. Also, speaking of Christmas and also speaking of Pepsi, this evening I am going to Winter Wonderland. Yay! It's me and Rob. We're bringing Rob's flatmates. So the four of us are going to go to Winter Wonderland. And Pepsi have like an area there. Part of my work with them is I'm going to their like area and filming a reel for them for my Instagram. So this has arrived at the perfect time. How cool. Love that. Oh, it's quite heavy.
Wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? What's been broken? This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Walking down the street, the rain is pouring down. By my feet I walk into a different sound. What's been broken? This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind.
Here is my outfit of the day. Scarf is ASOS, Ganni hat, ASOS cardigan, All Saints t-shirt, Topshop jeans, Topshop jacket. I'm gonna take you on my little camera. Let's go to Winter Wonderland.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
We have arrived. Hello. Thank you. Cheers. Marshmallows. Let's go find our friends.
In a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Let's decorate the Christmas tree together. I'm gonna watch a Christmas film while I do this. What am I gonna watch? Netflix. A huge change in my living room since my little makeover is my TV is now mounted on the wall. I'm so glad I did this. Oh, it makes such a bloody difference. Dun-dun. To be fair, I'm fighting everything to watch Lost because I'm rewatching Lost at the moment. I'm like fully binging it, but no, we are gonna watch a Christmas film because I need to get feeling festive. What was the text before Christmas?
Christmas is a big deal for my family.
Seen that. We need a new Christmas film. Hot Frosty. Hot Frosty, you are our choice. Rom-com Christmas, perfect. I guess it's a good time for me to show you some updates to the living room. I now have this adorable little bistro table set up. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this already. With a bench back here. Loving having this, being able to sit down at a table because I don't really have any tables in my house. Having a little table in here that really doesn't take up too much space. This bench, amazing. It holds like all my extra cushions and blankets and some of my scrapbook stuff. I am absolutely loving this little setup. And I got a Togo dupe, which I love. I'm such like a floor sitter, so I really like that I can sit on this and my coffee table kind of becomes like table height. I've been doing a lot of editing on my little Togo dupe. And then this area hasn't really changed, to be honest. Table's still there. I've put this here temporarily because I don't know where to put it. But I think that this area is going to be where I put the Christmas tree. You can go in the office. I feel like we could potentially make this fit. We're just going to try it. Please fit. This is the worst part when you have to like buff out the tree again. This thing is amazing. It holds all of my Christmas crap. Look at how organised they are. Time for the worst part, the lights.
I'm keeping my eyes on you all year. You've been taking notice.
Let's do some ribbons.
Now I'm meaning to ask you, hoping you'll take
I'm loving this so far. Look at the pose. So freaking cute. Amazing. Love, 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 love.
Christmas night. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holiday should be
aesthetic perfectly. Look! I got this little guy last year from TK Maxx. How cute. The pink and red stripes. I can't. I might move him, but for now, he can be a disco gnome. The finishing touch.
Stuffed with nutmeg, apple and butter. So now I'm asking you, hoping you'll take this right.
I'm so in love. I actually think this might be my favourite Christmas tree I've ever done. Which, I've done many that I love. Using bows instead of tinsel. So it looks fun and colourful and full. It's really cute. I love it. 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 I'm going to call it a night for this evening. But I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. I've got a few more little festive-y decorative things to put out. So I will probably do that throughout the next few videos. Now the tree is up, I feel like Christmas can actually begin. And it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Ooh, it looks so Christmassy in here. So thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. And I will see you guys tomorrow.